Hi, my name is Tom Bacher, and I'm a member of the product management team here at Navis. And today I want to talk to you about moving N4 to the cloud. We've had a lot of customer interest lately in moving N4 to the cloud, and the question is this feasible? Is it possible? The answer is absolutely yes. Think about if you're a new terminal, how much money you spend when you want to build out your data center. It's not just the servers and the operating systems, although that can add quite a bit of cost as well, but it's also the building, the security, the infrastructure, the cabling, the wiring, the uninterrupted power supplies, the air conditioning, all these things. And it's not just the initial investment of that data center. You have ongoing costs as well. Periodically, you'll need to upgrade your servers, upgrade the software that you use, the databases, the operating systems. All these things add to your cost and add to your staffing requirements because you need to have somebody manage all that. So Navis now has a new service offering that is Navis N4 hosting. And this is where Navis will take care of deploying your N4 TOS in the cloud for you. The Navis hosting service takes care of all the DevOps functions in terms of deploying and managing your N4 instance, including system monitoring and diagnostics, as well as your database maintenance. In addition to the base hosting service, Navis 360 Managed Services can also offer patches and upgrades, as well as application maintenance as a service. The great thing about N4 hosting is that it allows you, the terminal operator, to focus on your business, which is running the terminal and not managing IT infrastructure. We're moving customers to the cloud today. Let us know how we can help you.